Hey, how's it going, everybody? So I've got a quick gardening tip video that I want to share with you today. It's actually 2 tips in one, and it's going to really help you out, I'm sure. So this here is what I call a plant protection cage. And the inside frame is made of concrete mesh. You can get these in rolls. They're about 5 feet tall. They're great for making tomato cages. They're great for making plant protection cages. If you got backyard chickens, you've got wildlife that may come in and destroy some of your new plants, little seedlings getting going. Just for an example, say you've got a little plant like that, you put a little plant protection cage over it and it's now safe. It's safe from your roaming chickens, it's safe from squirrels and birds. And as you can see, I have the outside wrapped with some chicken wire. Now these are items commonly found at your big box hardware stores like Home Depot and Lowe's. But now I'm going to share with you how you can upgrade this to be a little mini greenhouse that you can put around some of those younger plants getting going. And you could scale this up or down to any size, even a full-size greenhouse, using this one item here. This is stretch wrap. This is 1,000 feet. You can get this for about 16 bucks on Amazon. I'll drop a link below if you're interested. And yeah, something like this is going to work probably just for one season, maybe get a couple years out of it, but so cheap, so easy, so fast, accessible to anybody. That's why I'm putting this out there for you guys. I know that a lot of you folks are trying to get going early on your seeds and your seedlings. That's a great thing. I want you to have success. So watch how easy it is to turn this into a mini greenhouse. This stuff just sticks on. And there you have it, a greenhouse in just a few seconds. You can put it right over your plants and get creative with this idea. Obviously, you could do just about anything with this wrap. So if you just got a few sticks laying around, you've got some bamboo stakes, you could easily just put those around an area. You can make this larger, smaller. The possibilities are endless. You can build a whole greenhouse. If you just got a frame, you can wrap it with this stuff in an instant. So I just want to share this tip with you guys. I know a lot of folks out there are on a budget and they're trying to grow big this year, and I'm really happy about that. So try this tip. It's going to help you out. It's going to help you to grow more and be more self-sustainable. And I'm going to give you one more bonus tip as well. If you put a little seedling heat mat inside of here, then you're going to actually be able to generate heat as well and keep it warm in there. Keep that cold breeze from coming in. So there's a lot you can do with this. You could definitely, like I said, scale it up. You could do a full style greenhouse with this. With one of these rolls, 1,000 feet for about $16. Doesn't get any cheaper than that. So with that, I hope you all are having a great night. I see the chickens are on their way up to roost into the wisteria. Let me see if we can capture some of this for you. This is their nightly routine. Good night, ladies. Sleep tight.